a market top approaching. Overly bullish, that's the keyword, overly. So once you have the sentiment to give you your trade idea, then we confirm with technical analysis. This is where your price action comes into play, your support resistance, momentum indicators, right? And then you execute a contrarian strategy. Let's say if you look at retail traders data, and then their net long more than 85%, example. Okay, they're super long. Then you go to the charts and see, are there any short opportunities? Are there any major resistance levels? Then you enter a short sell. Okay, execute a contrarian strategy, meaning trade against the retail traders. Right, so this is I think I need to do a demonstration on this, but you can just look at this chart right now. Okay, this is the CFDs on crude oil. Now this can be applied to Forex, stocks, commodities. Okay, so that's why I'm showing you crude oil, because if you remember back in 2014, what happened? Major tanking in oil prices. So you can see just like stock market, right? When it climbs up via a staircase. When it drops like somebody is skydiving. Agree with me? So it's the same with stock market, same behavior in terms of a crash behavior. So you can see over here, this is the COT report indicator. So just now when I showed you the COT report, okay, let me just go to the trading view. Okay, just now for COT report, if you want to use that, it's okay, but it's more complicated. You can just type in COT report CFTC, then you are going to get the report. But an easier way to do it for beginners is you can come to tradingview.com and then find this indicator. Now, by the way, a few years ago used to be something else, but right now they have a newly reported indicator. Just click on that, and then you'll be able to get your COT report indicator. You can change the color accordingly, and I change it to red and green, and I remove the retail trader aspect. Okay, so this one is my non-commercials, meaning hedge funds who speculate. This one is the commercial traders, meaning companies who use futures and options to hedge against the currency to prevent their international businesses from losing money due to currency fluctuations and exchange rate risk. Okay, so you can remove the retail trader portion, and then you can use the color that I used to. So let me just write this down. This is non-commercials, meaning hedge funds, and this is commercials. Commercials meaning companies. Okay, multinational companies. They don't participate in a forex market to speculate to make money, but just to prevent them from losing more money through futures and options hedging. Okay, so we want to follow the hedge funds mainly. So you can see over here, what happened is that market top in crude oil was followed by a top. You can see the top, top over here. Okay, but definitely this one is one of the largest long positions for this specific period. So you can see that there's a major net long position right before the market tank. So it doesn't mean that every time you see a major net long position, then the market's going to tank. Doesn't mean that, but if it appears, then you need to take note and hopefully take profits if you are in a position.